Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 32. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 7. No help here, 1, 7, 9, and no help here, 1, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 6. 3 here, so 6, 9. 6 here, so 3, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. 6 here, so 8, 6. That 6 makes this our 3. That 9 makes this our 6, and that 3 makes this our 9. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. Although I did just notice this 7 makes this our 1. We can get rid of this 1 and this 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 2, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 1, 8. For this row now, we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 5. I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3, and that makes this our 5. Oh, and we have the 7 up here. That makes this our 9, 7. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.